Hello YouTube, this is Meter D Green and I'm here again with finally the 2-pack Aisha / Scorpina set. So this package was received about a couple of weeks ago before the holidays, so I figured I would put this video out after the holiday season was over. It's almost over, but you know, for the most part it's over. So here we have Aisha. It's a very nice head sculpt, very nice likeness of the actress. And here we have Scorpina. Nice hair. Very nice figure. Before we get into the articulation and the accessories of these figures, I'm just going to do a little bit of a background story to this, because I have seen a few reviews that have said that this doesn't make any sense, that they were never really in the same area at the same time on Power Rangers, which is not 100% true. During a vice versa dance where the girls asked the guys out to a dance, all of the male Rangers seem to have dates lined up for this dance except for Adam, which leaves him bummed out and very sad until he runs into a new person, a new girl in town named Sabrina. So he and Sabrina make plans to go to the park the day after, and Aisha decides to tag along with them. So during this outing at the park, they're ambushed by Goldar, where Sabrina reveals herself to be Scorpina. So everyone in the command center, the last 4 remaining Rangers, 3 out of the 4 are extremely surprised and upset that Scorpina has returned, and then Rocky is very confused and he doesn't know who she is. Of course he doesn't know who she is because he hasn't met her yet. But that was the episode in a nutshell. And here are the additional accessories / effect pieces for the figures. So let's start off with yellow over here, with these 2 here, these 2 blast effects. So there's that. Here's the power blaster in its sword mode. Gravity had done that. Here are once again her give it to me a second. Power daggers. Here are 2 additional hands. One is an open type of karate chop hand, and then here is another fisted hand, gripping hand for a weapon. And over here for Scorpina, we have this effect, this purple lightning effect here. So we have her boomerang weapon. Very nicely detailed. And 2 hands. This one is a gripping hand for her left hand. And here is a closed fisted hand for her right hand. But sorry, for her right arm. So here for the articulation, let's do this one. So you have once again the head, far up, that far down. Arm goes out there. full rotation around. Single elbow joint here. There we go. Move back that much, forward that much. Legs don't move back very far, but they can move up really high. Double knee joint here. Boot swivel and ankle pivot. And also a wrist joint, wrist articulation is here. Alright, it's pretty similar for Scorpina, except for the fact that her hair sort of hinders her head rotation. Single elbow joint here. Wrist swivel. Oh, that looks painful. This arm can go fully around. This arm, it's almost blocked. This part is almost gonna fall off. Move forward that much, back that much. Legs can move out like this. Another double knee joint here. Boot swivel and ankle pivot. I almost forgot about the helmet. It's pretty much the same typical Yellow Ranger / Tiger Ranger helmet. Still looks really great though. And before I let you go, of course, we have to do a comparison with the new Yellow Ranger next to the original Yellow Ranger. So, let's see. It's not really coming up on camera that well, but this color is obviously a darker, well, not obviously, this color is a darker shade of yellow in person than this shade of yellow. This one is a brighter shade of yellow. You stole my job. Oh well. Alright, so this set is now out and it's still available on, I believe, on Amazon, but please don't quote me on that. If it's still available, I'll put a link in the description box below where you can pick up your own figures. But these figures, they are highly recommended. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.